Apple and Google, two tech giants that have spent years competing on almost everything, might soon be joining forces in a way no one expected. With the iPhone 17e, Apple could be turning to Google for help. Not in hardware or design, but in something far more personal: intelligence. For years, Siri has been the voice of the iPhone. Helpful, loyal, but never truly powerful. Meanwhile, Google Assistant has quietly become smarter, faster, and better at understanding real human conversations. Now, Apple seems ready to close that gap, and the iPhone 17e could be the first big step toward that future. Following an extensive evaluation period, the two companies are now finalizing an agreement that would see Apple pay roughly $1 billion annually for access to Google's technology, according to the people, who asked not to be identified because the deliberations are private. The E-Series has become Apple's new testing ground, a place where the company experiments with fresh hardware and software ideas before rolling them out to its flagship models. As the launch of the iPhone 17e draws near, this could be Apple's perfect opportunity to introduce and refine its Apple Intelligence features. The 17e might serve as the stage where Apple fine-tunes its AI system, preparing it for a larger, more polished debut across future iPhones. By the way, what's your take on Apple AI? Do you think Google AI is better? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, it's no secret that Apple has been preparing for a new AI era. Apple Intelligence, as the company calls it, is meant to make your iPhone more personal, aware, and capable. But building a fully independent AI ecosystem takes time, and Apple doesn't like to rush things. Instead of reinventing every wheel, the company is reportedly exploring ways to integrate parts of Google's Gemini AI into Siri. That means future iPhones, starting with the iPhone 17e, could come with a version of Siri that quietly borrows Google's brainpower when it needs it most. Imagine asking your iPhone a complex question, something like, "Plan my trip to Tokyo with the cheapest flights, nearby cafes, and hotels that allow early check-in." Siri would have struggled with that. But with Google's AI running behind the scenes, it could finally give you an intelligent, complete answer in seconds. It's the kind of move that could change how people see Siri forever, not as a limited assistant, but as a real companion that learns, helps, and thinks with you. The iPhone 17e is already shaping up to be one of the most interesting iPhones in years. Expected to feature the same A19 chip as the flagship models, but with few less GPU cores, a 6.1-inch OLED display, and a sleek, colorful design, the phone aims to bring Apple's new AI power to a wider audience. But what really makes it special is its potential to become the first smart iPhone in a deeper sense. It won't just respond, it will anticipate. It will know your writing style, suggest replies that sound like you, and handle tasks that used to take minutes instantly. For users, this partnership could mean the best of both worlds: Apple's design and privacy standards, combined with Google's unmatched intelligence in search and natural language understanding. And while Apple has always been protective of its ecosystem, it knows that the next decade isn't about walls, it's about bridges. Working with Google doesn't mean losing control. It means giving users the best experience possible, no matter where that technology comes from. If this happens, the iPhone 17e could mark a turning point for Apple, a moment when the company accepts that collaboration can sometimes be smarter than competition. Siri, powered by a touch of Google's magic, could finally become what it was always meant to be: the most human AI assistant on a phone. And that might just make the iPhone 17e more than just another iPhone. It could be the beginning of a whole new kind of smart. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming iPhone 17e? Will you buy? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.